Click on the link below to get price. The XPOWER XTREMEDRY Sonoran Drying System Package XDP2 is an exceptional tool for anyone involved in water damage restoration, whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast. This comprehensive package comes with all the essential components needed to tackle water damage efficiently and effectively. One of the standout features of the XDP2 is its powerful drying capability. With a robust 1/2 HP motor, it delivers impressive airflow and drying performance. The unit boasts 3 adjustable speeds, allowing users to customize airflow based on the severity of the water damage. This flexibility is particularly useful in varied environments, ensuring that moisture is removed quickly and thoroughly. The design of the XPOWER XTREMEDRY is also commendable. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to transport between job sites. The unit features a rugged construction that can withstand the rigors of restoration work, which speaks to its durability. Additionally, the built-in carry handle enhances portability, making it convenient to move it around as needed. One of the most beneficial aspects of using this drying system is its versatility. The package includes a range of accessories, including ducting and filters, which enhance its functionality. This versatility allows users to tackle different types of jobs, from small residential issues to larger commercial projects. Noise levels are usually a concern with drying systems, but the XDP2 operates with a surprisingly low noise output, making it suitable for use in occupied spaces without causing disruption. The energy efficiency of the unit is another advantage, helping to keep operational costs down while delivering high performance. In summary, the XPOWER XTREMEDRY Sonoran Drying System Package XDP2 is an outstanding investment for anyone serious about water damage restoration. Its powerful performance, portability, and versatility make it a reliable choice. Whether you're dealing with a flooded basement or a leaky roof, this system provides the tools needed to restore spaces effectively.